enough today is my first day of classes, but guess what? It's 4:30 a.m. in the morning and I still haven't slept because I can't sleep because I just came today and I don't know, it takes some time to get adjusted to the bed. I just hope I get to wake up tomorrow morning. It's already raining in Cuttack on my first morning here. So it's actually nice, but I wanted to wash so many clothes and अब मैं नहीं कर सकती वो. Let's go for a shower in the Cuttack showers. Not in Addis actually, but showers obviously. But yeah, you get the point, guys. First day always is about kurtis. I don't know, there's just some connection between first day of college or any good thing and kurtis. I don't know, they just suit the mood, suit the vibe. I'm going to be wearing this one, just pink kurti. And I'm already like tired, my body is aching. कल की ट्रैवल के बाद बस मैं सोई भी 2 घंटे हूँ, बस मैं पागल हूँ ना, मैं एकदम पागल हूँ तो इसलिए. बट या तो मैं जा रही हूँ नहाने. The rain is raining. I love the rain ASMR, like natural, free, and that's so cool. My favorite shower is all across the road. तो कुछ showers करके पसंद आते हैं. Oh my god, life की दुनिया. Damn.
My disappointment is immeasurable.
Have to go to either. By someone who wanted me dead, and I'll say the rest. I would have died for your sins instead. I just died inside. But you are what you did. Oopsie. And I'll forget you, but I'll never forget. It's already late, जल्दी भागते हैं. वाओ, मेरे आउटफिट के साथ दिस छाता इज गोइंग सो वेल. फर्स्ट ईयर्स जो आएंगे उनके लिए ब्लॉग बना रही हूँ वो रंग. It's not turned on.
यार तो अपने कंटेंट के लिए मेरा कंसंट्रेशन बिगाड़ दिया. This is not घुसो. She needs lubrication.
मैं करती हूँ, देख रुक.
हाँ ट्राई.
वो bro, you do know your stuff.
She's expert. She has broken many locks. Shooting करना is difficult ना.
Finally, it has been broken. The classes were amazing. I think we have great professors this time around, so I'm like really looking forward to studying all subjects, even though I might not be like interested abhi kuch subjects mein, but I think the professors also make a subject so interesting and you look forward to their classes, and I think that's great as well. तो अब हमारी 2 क्लास हो चुकी है for the day, so now I'm just going to be cleaning my room a bit. I have my football practice as well आज, so I'm looking forward to it kind of. I am finally going to meet Aditi. If you do not know Aditi, you should know Aditi. Aditi is the Aditi to my Naina, I believe. I have not watched Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Judge me all you want, but मैं देखूंगी. Now I'm going to have lunch and I'll go to her room, pick her up, and we'll go and have lunch. फाइनली मेरे रूम में पोछा लग चुका है एंड इट्स मच बेटर राइट नाउ, बट आई स्टिल नीड टू ऑर्गेनाइज इट. तो अभी आई डू हैव सम टाइम, बट आई माइट और माइट नॉट ऑर्गेनाइज इट बिकॉज मुझे फुटबॉल प्रैक्टिस के लिए जाना है. सो आई थिंक आई शुड टेक अ नैप और समथिंग सो दैट आई कैन गिव माई ऑल टू द प्रैक्टिस टुडे. Let's get ready. I'm still kind of sleepy, but I think a good one will do good for me to wake me up from this slumber.
The fury of now finding a rubber band. My little makeup never hurt her, no one. I cannot find my rubber band, oh my god. I saw it and I kept it somewhere safe. I can't find it. I have some bad bands, I guess. I have to make do with this. I just hope it doesn't break. But I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh my god, it's time. Feeling about the first day of practice.
Very exciting.
वेरी फन. आज कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ना ग्राउंड पर, एकदम ग्रीन. इतना ग्रीन कभी नहीं दिखा यार मुझे. द ह्यूमिडिटी इज ह्यूमिडिफाइंग. लेट्स सी. ओह, सेव द स्नेल्स. क्या हुआ भाई?
It is already dead.
फकिंग हेल ब्रो. पड़ेगा भाई. Guys, we have a langur in our campus. आज की प्रैक्टिस कैसी थी? How was it?
बढ़िया थी, फ्रूटफुल थी, सब बेटर थे compared to other time.
Hello guys. So cute. So the practice was great. Heading back, going to take a nice shower and that will be great I think. अभी like hostel इतना खाली है कि आवाज़ गूंज रही है. Legit. It's echoing and that's kind of weird. But since my friends are here, अब मुझे अकेला नहीं feel हो रहा. Also, I don't know how many people relate, but sitting on the floor after football practice is great because अभी बिस्तर पे तो बैठ नहीं सकते इस हालत में. So yeah, I'm just going to sit, थोड़ा सा पसीना सुखाऊंगी and then I'll go and take a bath. And आज हमारे स्नैक्स में गोलगप्पे बने हैं, but मुझे मन नहीं कर रहा खाने का. And आज डिनर में बिरयानी है and यहाँ की बिरयानी is not good for my health at all. So I don't know what I'll have for dinner. Probably I'll have some dahi. I wish I had muesli here. मुझे घर जाके ऐसी muesli की आदत लग गई, दही muesli. So yeah, I'll see if I get it in any shop campus में. And I'll have dahi and muesli today. So yeah, that is it for now. I'm going to relax, sit on the ground, थोड़ा cool down करूँगी, take a bath, and I'll freshen up and meet you guys. No way, I sat here and now it's wet. What the heck? Cuttack humidity is on peak. Like already इतना पसीना था भाई कि क्या बताऊँ.
I'm gonna pull up study to the side. She keep coming at me every night. When I left in my life started feeling right. Yeah, yeah, ooh. These days I do anything I like. Granted for the
तूने गोलगप्पे खा लिए? कैसे थे?
अच्छे थे
यार. कितना एम्बैरेसिंग. मैं बता रही हूँ, एडिटिंग करने के बाद कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है, उसके पहले इट्स जस्ट एम्बैरेसिंग शिट. तो अभी हम बिग बास्केट से ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं कॉज
क्या लेना है तुझे?
बहुत कुछ
बाथ रेंशल्स.
मुझे लेना है. हाँ वो लेना है, अब वो डिटर्जेंट पाउडर. हाँ ये
Then we went to the girls' hostel canteen to get some snacks and got this Mirinda because I couldn't find the Diet Coke. And then we ended the day with a walk around the campus. This is our new library if you're wondering. And if you would like to see more of it, make sure to let me know so that I can film it, even though it's embarrassing to film. But I will do it for you guys. Thank you.